Unlock the power of seamless e-commerce integration by connecting your Wix website directly to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. First, you'll need to access the Wix developer site to retrieve your API keys. This involves creating a Wix app and enabling the necessary permissions for data access. Next, within Business Central, navigate to Web Services and generate a new access key. This key will authenticate your connection to Business Central's API endpoints. Now comes the crucial step of data mapping. Determine how Wix data fields, like customer details and order information, will correspond to fields within Business Central, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. Utilize a middleware platform like Zapier or Power Automate to establish the connection. These tools offer pre-built connectors and customizable workflows to automate the data transfer. Finally, verify the data synchronization by checking Business Central. You should see customer information, sales orders, and inventory levels updated automatically from your Wix store.